Good afternoon. I think I'm having a great day. How about you? Miska, move. No. No. She will jump out this door if I don't block her. Whoo, 3 below, it's chilly. I've got to start my truck. I have to take it to town and drop off a snow machine and pick up my other snow machine because they've been doing recalls on it. My remote start died. Sadly, I hardly use it, but its battery life is very limited. And why this seat goes back to normal to the one setting, I don't know. It's going ridiculous. Cold start. Y'all don't know what this is, it's a block heater. Warms up the engine oil. Pretty day, a little chilly, but a nice day. I always wonder what this camera sees as opposed to my eyes. But we'll find out. Excuse me. Hello, Miska. I know you guys would love to go. Me too. The routine out to the kennel walk. Miska loves it. Come on, Ollie. They know they're gonna get a treat, so that's why they're so excited. You love that doghouse, 6x6 insulated. It had a 2-way door on it, but Miska decided to rip it out. And you'll notice there's a big chain that I have to put on it. Chain. Because Miska is strong enough to knock that gate right open. Beautiful day. Now I'm going to get in my warm truck, head into town. Well, let's go unload the machine and unload, put the other one on. You know exactly what that means. Damn seatbelt got caught in the door. I don't know why it does it, but it does. it again. Now both sides are broken.
On this one?
Yeah.
You want us to do them?
Huh?
You want us to do them?
Do you have any in stock?
Maybe.
Well, if you do, replace them.
Okay.
Make sure my gloves aren't here because I need the other machine for this weekend.
Hey, we got ice. We got ice. Hey, we got ice crackers for them. You want a set of the metal ones or the wire ones?
Well, I done broke the metal ones off on both sides. Not on the track. I broke them on a damn trailer.
Yeah.
Because they don't flip up. They just always stay down because they're flexible. But that edge catches the lip of the trailer ramp, pops that sucker right out.
Why are you recording?
Because I'm just doing a thing with YouTube.
Oh. Okay.
You noticed, huh?
I did. I saw the little red light.
What is all that be?
I think all we have are the wire one. Let me go check.
But the wire ones hook up, right?
Yeah, so you have that's the wire one right there.
Okay, so you're talking about that one. You have that one?
Let me go check.
It's all right.
Should.
I'm gonna go load the other machine.
Do you just want one for this one or for the other one as well?
Well, I'm taking the other one.
Okay. So
I think the ones on that one are okay.
I think they are. I'll check real quick to see. The only reversible kind we got.
Okay.
Want to try them?
Yeah, let's try them. I don't care.
Okay. All right. I'll put them on.
It's on the machine I ride the most anyway, so.
Okay. Oh, you don't ride
Yeah.
this one very much?
No, I haven't rode this. I haven't rode it this weekend.
There you go.
Yeah, it'll be fun. See, I don't break them. And why that one caught, I don't know, but it caught. The first one caught on the way up. And I thought, what's holding me? What did I do? Throttle. Whoop. And then I saw it on the ground. Yay me.
Okay. Yeah, I'll throw these on there and see
Cool.
how they do.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, see you, Thomas.
You have a good day. I had to readjust this so I would quit putting it on that. Cool. Nice job. Really good people work here. I like it. I like the shop. I like the people. They take care of me. Happy camper. All right. Let's take a run to the office. This neck brace, I have no idea where it's pointing. I gotta fuel up the truck. I like to keep it as full as possible all the time, especially in the winter. Wow, in a hurry. Thanks, Joe Biden. I wasn't even a half a tank empty. Crash. Well, we made it to my office. I'm gonna hang out here while waiting for a meeting. Charlotte's car's warming up. She's shutting down the office. Charlotte is my office manager. Can I get a road test?
Hi, sir. How are you this afternoon?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Good. Did you want to come look at your car?
Yes.
It looks beautiful.
Does it?
Oh my.
You looked under the hood?
Yes, I did. I even grabbed your fancy air.
So the car's been giving us trouble with water coolant leaks, so we had it fixed. Oh, look how pretty that is. He did a good job.
What is this? That's that one hose that you were going to be messing with, wasn't it?
No, that's the one there's two hoses back there,
Okay.
and I tried to do the closest one,
Okay.
which is this one. He rerouted it,
Oh, okay.
and then he had to do the other one, which is on the back side.
Okay.
He sprayed it. Cool.
Is that what that cherry smell is? Because I thought they put like a...
Yeah, you see how shiny all this is over here? He sprayed it. It makes everything shiny and pretty.
Yeah, that's why I was like, woo, when I opened the hood.
Cool. Looks good, thank you.
Yes, sir. How's your afternoon, Ben?
Busy. Dropped off one machine, picked up the other. And then I gotta hang out doing nothing till time to go to the meeting. Oh.